What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long weekend away from the shop and couldn't be more excited. This is a Monday morning. I have a video to film this morning on a 2026 Ram 2500 Laramie. This truck is in that color ceramic gray that everybody's been going crazy about lately. It looks really, really nice. We did the 5.5-inch BDS lift kit, the 4-link system. We're getting the BDS track bar in the rear. We're going to do the Fox 2.0 steering stabilizer across the front, the dual. And then we're going to be doing some 22x10 Fuel Rebel wheels in the all black finish. And then some 37, 1250, 22 Toyo Open Country RT trail tires. This is going to be an amazing build. Can't wait to get it started. The guys are actually in the shop right now waiting on me to get pulled around, as they usually are. So I usually have to try to hurry through these beginning clips because of that. But I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like. Stay tuned. Here's our beautiful truck. 2026 Ram 2500 Laramie. That ceramic gray color is amazing. You know, Ram and Dodge kind of started it with that Nardo gray back, a few years ago. The grays kind of went crazy. Everybody's had their own little flavor of it. This is a new one for Ram. I haven't seen it yet. I really like it a lot. Actually, I think I have seen this one once before. We did a Carly kit on a truck that I think was this color, but I'm not totally sure. Anyways, this one's going to look really, really good when it's done. The BDS is going to set it way up in the air. Customer, this isn't my customer. This is Leo's customer, another salesman up here. The area code says Ohio, so I'm thinking that this truck is from Ohio. I haven't looked at the license plate yet, but the guy's name is Cole. I wanted to say I appreciate him for watching the channel and bringing the truck to us. The choices that he made on the tires and wheels, I think, are going to go perfect with the trim of this truck. Everything's gloss black. Or everything's black, at least. Not all gloss black, but yes, we definitely have an Ohio tag. So big shout out to Cole for driving. He got here on time this morning. We didn't have to wait for anything. Guys are just waiting on me now to get it started, but we're about to get it pulled in right now. Stay tuned for the process. So just like that, we have our Ram 2500 ready to go. We did the 5.5-inch BDS lift kit. This is a gas engine truck, and it is a 5.5-inch 4-link BDS system that we did put on this truck. It has the Fox 2.0 shocks. The truck looks awesome with the tires and wheels that he chose. The 37-inch Toyo RT trails on the Fuel Rebel wheels. I'm about to get out and show what everything looks like right now. Stay tuned. So Cole is in the office right now, about to head back to Ohio. He hasn't seen the truck yet. I think he saw the back of the truck when I was driving it around, but this truck looks really, really good. I couldn't do anything else to it to make it look any better. I couldn't recommend anything to him. He chose the perfect lift, perfect tire, perfect wheel for it. Starting with the lift kit, we'll go over it. It is a 5.5-inch BDS. This is the 4-link system. Sorry, it is rainy and nasty out in Georgia right now. That's why everything has the dirt on it like that. Just been dirty and rainy all day. That's the coil spring that's supplied with the system, the Fox 2.0 shock. There's your big 4-link bars right there and the bracket. We also added the BDS dual steering stabilizer in the front with the Fox shocks. It's an amazing upgrade. This truck also got a track bar in the rear as well. From BDS. Eliminates the track bar bracket in the rear. It makes sense. It's a really nice part to add onto it. The tires and wheels that we did, 37, 12, 50, 22 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. This is an amazing tire, very, very quiet, 45,000 mile warranty, 45-day ride guarantee. Looks super aggressive, but it's very, very comfortable in the truck. This is definitely a good tire to recommend. It's good in all situations, mud, snow, rain, whatever. And it looks great on the truck. Pairs up nicely with that 22x10 Fuel Rebel in the black finish. We also put black spline lug nuts on there as well. This is a really good offset for this lift. I don't see a whole bunch of modification, if any, done inside the fender well. If you guys are looking for a perfect fit without the trimming, this is the way to go. I'll attach a price quote for this job right after this clip, so if you're curious, you'll know what it would cost to build this truck. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. My name's Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. The number here is 678-994-9180. And I appreciate everybody watching.